Yeah, and good day to everyone. Today I'm going to be doing this unboxing, or actually unwrapping or something. So I bought this online, and this is a soldering iron or gun that comes with a automatic feeder at the back. See here. So this one goes here at the back, chin, 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 and will go out there, and then well, hopefully it works. So here we go. Let's erect this thing apart, just like so. Yeah. So here's the gun, here's the feeder, and the wire. So it says it comes with its own literature here at the back. See, all the instructions and everything. But this is already a self-explanatory. So you open this hatch here. There's a small hatch here on the side. You open this up. Oh, come on. It's not easy when you're doing this with only one hand. Alright, so yeah. So that's it. So here you can see the roller. See, this is like a MIG machine, a small MIG machine. And this one here is the roller at the back. So you remove this screw, just like so. Let's do it now. Let's try to remove this screw, just like so. And yeah. And yeah. Then you put it inside, just like that. Then you slide it in. So I don't know how this is going to be. Should this be on top or bottom? Let me see. So make sure that your orientation is correct. I mean your spool is correct. So the end of the spool goes down, not like this. Okay, it goes down like this because the hole is right here. Okay. So now we're going to assemble this again. Just like that. Okay, and then you slide this in right here at the back. There's a slot here on the side. Here it goes like this. It's a little bit tight, so that's okay. That's good. It's a good sign that it fits snugly without shaking. And then you insert this inside, and then go out there. So see the concept. So that's it. Bye bye.